In this short video, you will learn how to align your sensors properly. For this, you will need the Global Sensor Lineup tool, a measuring tape, a tire marker, a ratchet, and 2 people. Every sensor must be aligned with the Global Sensor Lineup tool. This ensures accurate calibration and an overall better user experience for the driver. To start, place the tool securely on the face of the sensor. Twist the knob to turn on the laser. Use a measuring tape and have your helper stand 6 feet away from the sensor box. While one person adjusts the angle of the sensor, have the helper stand with the measuring tape. Have the person at the sensor adjust the angle until the laser pointer dot lands on the 25-inch mark. Only use 2 bolts to secure the sensor. Tighten the 2 bolts following the torque specification on page 5 of the user manual. Mark the location of the bolt with a tire marker. This will help the driver with pre- and post-visual inspections. For detailed instructions on how to align your sensors, refer to pages 13 and 14 in the user manual. Get your own sensor lineup tool now. Email us at sales@globalsensorsystems.com.